Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your taskbar like this in your Windows 11 or 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will click on this here in taskbar in your right mouse button, and here you will get to option called Task Manager and Taskbar Settings. Click on Taskbar Settings, and after that here you are in Taskbar. So if we scroll down a little bit, here we'll get an option called Taskbar Behaviors. Click on that, and here you can get a lot of options, but here you need to allow this here that automatically hide the taskbar. You can see if we uncheck it, the taskbar remain as it is, but if I checked it, you can see it's hide automatically. You can see. So this is how you can hide taskbar automatically in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.